Today's topic is construction, chapter number 6. We are going to bisect the angle. This is the angle. In this angle, how we are going to bisect? What is the meaning of bisect? Suppose if it is there 30 degree in this 15 degree and 15 degree we are going to subtract this. How this line we are going to get? This is what we are going to see now. So now without the measurement we are going to take angle. Some angle we have here. That angle how we are going to bisect help of compass. So take here some angle, same measurement we have to do for this two line also, and same measurement you can keep, and from this first arc to here, this is third arc, second arc to third arc we are going to cut. So now we have to join this vertex and this arc. So now this angle is bisected from this line. So how much is the angle? How will measure the angle? Take the protractor. This is 0. From here to we have to measure this, and I am getting 54. 54. What is the half? 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14. So 27 should be this angle and this angle. We'll measure again. This is 25, 26, 27, in middle it's coming. So it is correct bisecting. Any other angle, let it be any other angle. Obtuse angle also we can measure like that. What is the procedure? First we have to take the some measurement. The same thing we have to draw for two line also. Then the same measurement, or we can change also, but once if you change, that same measurement should be there for two sides also. Again from here to here, third arc, second arc to fourth arc. Then we have to make the line from the arc to vertex. Now for this we are going to bisect this angle and this angle. We will measure how much is the angle now. The angle is 125. In 125, what is the half? 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and point. So 62.5 should be there, the first angle and second angle. So 61, 62, 62 and half. Exercise 6.1. First question is, construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. Without protractor, we are going to draw 90 degree. First, take a straight line. Keep any point here. From this point, we are going to do the semicircle. Semicircle or half circle, same. Semicircle also or half circle also is same. So draw first semicircle. Keep the same measurement for both the side also. Semicircle means here also it should be cut the same. Again from here also it is same. Then from here we can adjust the length. And once if you adjust, it should be for both the side the same measurement of the distance of compass. So from this arc and line where it is meeting, from here to this state, one arc, again same measurement, from the other side also we have to draw the cut. Then for this two arc and the point where it's meeting, this angle is called now 90 degree. Second question is, construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. Now till 90 degree what we did for first question, it is same. First draw a straight line, keep the point on the line, take a semicircle, then decide the compass from here to here arc, again same measurement from here to here arc, then two arc on this center point we have to join. We'll get now 90 degree. Now second one is 45 degree we have to measure. Then bisect this 90 is called 45. So what we have to take, any length we can take for the compass, and from here to here we have to draw a arc. Same measurement we have to keep on this point and draw a cut. Then join this to arc where it is meeting there to here for the vertex of 90 degree. Now this is called 45 degree, and here also we will get 45 because 90 when we bisect means divide by 2 we will get 45 degree.